Ever wondered how websites rank on search engines? What magic brings them to the top of your search results? No wizardry here, folks. Just some good old SEO or search engine optimization. Scene script. Imagine SEO as the art of making a website irresistible to search engines like Google. It's about convincing them that your site is the most relevant, the most authoritative, the most deserving of that coveted top spot. But how does one do that? Let's break it down. First up, it all begins with keywords. Think of them as the language of search engines, the words and phrases people use when they're hunting for information. Identifying these keywords, these golden nuggets, is the first step. Once you've got them, they need to be sprinkled strategically throughout your website's content. Next, we move on to on-page optimization. This is where you fine-tune the elements on your website to make them more search engine friendly. From meta tags and headings to content and URLs, everything needs to be just right. And remember, those keywords you found? They need to be incorporated naturally into your content. But SEO doesn't stop at your website's doorstep. Off-page optimization is all about improving your website's visibility and reputation outside its own domain. This could involve everything from building high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites to managing your online reputation. Then comes the technical side of SEO. This is where you optimize the nuts and bolts of your website. We're talking site speed, mobile friendliness, crawlability, indexability, the works. Ensuring that search engines can easily access and understand your website's content is absolutely crucial. Now, what's a website without content? High-quality, engaging, and informative content is the heart of SEO. Regularly publishing fresh and relevant content can attract more visitors, increase user engagement, and boost your website's authority. But it's not just about content. User experience is key too. Search engines love websites that keep their users happy. Things like page load speed, mobile responsiveness, intuitive navigation, and engaging design. All these contribute to a better user experience and can indirectly boost your SEO. Last, but definitely not least, is monitoring and analysis. SEO isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process that needs regular checkups. Using analytics tools, you can keep an eye on your website's performance, identify areas for improvement, track keyword rankings, and make data-driven decisions to fine-tune your SEO strategy. And that, in a nutshell, is SEO. It's a complex, ever-evolving field, and staying on top of the latest best practices is key. But with some patience, persistence, and a whole lot of optimization, you can make your website a favorite of search engines. And who knows, maybe even nab that coveted top spot.